Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Scotty. Today we're here excited to test drive stock number G21259. It's an awesome running Toyota 02 3FG35. It's an 8,000 pound pneumatic tire forklift. Has brand new solid pneumatic tires. Has a 3-stage mast. Will go 187 inches. Equipped with side shift, standard 42-inch pallet forks. Has had a recent PM plus recent repairs, brand new paint job. There's the 187. It's an automatic 2-speed transmission. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either store in Denver, Fort Collins, or in Wyoming now. We appreciate you very much for watching. Thank you.